Posting and sharing. Hello there, friends. Let's take a look at how you can use Instagram to post and share your awesome marketing content. Posting and sharing stuff on Instagram is fairly easy, and there are several ways to do it. And in this video, we are going to walk you through them all. You have to start on your Instagram feed, from where you will be able to access all your account's posting and sharing options. Let's start with the easiest way to post and share from your account by tapping on the plus icon located in the middle of the lower screen. From here, you will be able to post from three sources. By default, you will be able to post from your gallery, which is the media gallery on your device. By tapping on the photo tab, you will be able to snap a photo that you can post and share. And by tapping on the video tab, you will be able to shoot a short form video that you can post and share to your Instagram following and to other channels. Let's now show you how you can create a post and share it with each option. Let's start with the gallery option. In this option, you will be able to select an image or video from your device's media gallery. Images and videos taken from your gallery need to comply with the following requirements. First, images have to ideally be 1080 by 1080 in resolution. Otherwise, you won't be able to promote the post that you upload the photo to. Videos have to be 15 seconds long at most. Otherwise, they will simply not load. Okay, in our case, we're going to select this high-resolution image for our post. As you can see here, there are some options that can give an extra oomph to your posts. One is the Boomerang Companion app that will allow you to share many videos. And the other is the Layout app, which will allow you to fit multiple photos into one post. In order to use them, you'll simply need to download and install them from the app marketplace corresponding to your device. Alright. So once you have selected your image or video, simply tap on the next button on the top right corner. In the following section, you will be asked to select a filter for your image. It will be normal by default, but there are many filters to select from. Once you have made your selection, you can tap on the edit link below to add some extra attributes on your image. These attributes include orientation, brightness, contrast, structure, color warmth, saturation, color, fading, and highlights. Once you have edited your image's attributes, tap on the next button above to continue. Now in the next screen, you'll have to edit the content of your post. Start in the Write a Caption field by entering your post text with its corresponding hashtags. You can geotag your post by adding a location by tapping on Add a Location. You can also tag other users and accounts by tapping on Tag People. One awesome feature is that you'll be able to share your new post to other social channels, depending on the type of post that you have created, by turning on or off the level corresponding to each available social channel under Share To. Once you're ready to share your post, simply tap on the Share button located on the top right corner. Awesome! Our new post is now live. Okay, so let's now create a new post by going to the plus icon on the lower menu to show you how to create a photo post. Start by tapping on the Photo tab. There, you will simply have to tap on the small circle button in the middle to snap a photo for your post. You can use the icon on the right to use Snap Your Photo with Flash, and the button on the left to shift between the rear and front cameras. Tap on the circle button to take your pick, and in the next screen, you will be asked to select a filter. Once you select a nice filter, tap on the edit link below to edit your image's attributes. Once you've edited your image's attributes, tap on the next button above to continue. Now edit the content of your post. Start in the Write a Caption field by entering your post text with its corresponding hashtags. Geotag your post by tapping on Add a Location, and tag other users or accounts by tapping on Tag People. Share to other channels if you wish to, and then tap on Share. Great! Now it is time to check the video posting option by tapping on the plus icon on the lower screen and then on the Video tab. To share a video from here, simply tap and hold the circle button in the middle until you are okay with the length or until it reaches the recording limit. Once it is recorded, simply tap on Next. Select the filter and then tap on the Cover tab to select a thumbnail image from the video and tap on Next. Now proceed as instructed beforehand by entering your caption and location. Video posts can be shared on several social channels, including Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Once you set up everything here, tap on Share. As you can see, your new video post is live and ready for the world to see. Okay, so are there other ways to create awesome Instagram posts, or is this all there is to Instagram posting and sharing? Well, we're glad you asked, because Instagram has another feature up its sleeve called Stories. which are nothing short of posts that can be customized to an amazing level. So follow us in our next video so we can show you what these stories are and how to create your own.